If you want to avoid this situation, taxi! หัวลำโพง train station please. What? 400 baht? No way. I want a taximeter. No? Oh my god, why is it so difficult to deal with a taxi driver in Thailand? Keep watching. I will teach you how to communicate with taxi drivers. Welcome back to Street Thai the series. Learn Thai the way it's really spoken. This is all what you need to know to deal with a taxi driver. Let's get started. The easiest way to say is ไป then your destination, then ครับ for male and ค่ะ for female. For example, ไป MBK ครับ ไป MBK ค่ะ That means go to MBK please. And to make sure that you will not get ripped off at the end, you should ask them, do you use a meter? You can say กดมิเตอร์ไหมกดมิเตอร์ไหม To ask how much do you charge, you can say คุณคิดเท่าไหร่ครับ or คะคุณคิดเท่าไหร่ครับคุณคิดเท่าไหร่คะ And if the price is still too expensive, you can start negotiating with them by saying ผม for male or ฉัน for female เคยไป100 บาทฉันเคยไป100 บาท That means I've been for 100 baht. And then you ask 100 บาทไปไหม100 บาทไปไหม That means will you go 100 baht or can you do it for 100 baht? And if you happen to be with a taxi driver who thinks that he's in the movie Fast and Furious and you want him to slow down, you can say ขับช้าๆหน่อยได้ไหมขับช้าๆหน่อยได้ไหมคะขับช้าๆหน่อยได้ไหมครับ It means could you please slow down? And if the traffic is so bad and you want to tell them to take an expressway or a tollway, you can say ขึ้นทางด่วนนะคะขึ้นทางด่วนนะคะ or ขึ้นทางด่วนนะครับ And that's all for today. I think that is more than enough for you to deal with a taxi driver in Thailand. If you have any good or bad or funny experience with a taxi driver in Thailand, feel free to share it with me at the comments below and I will check it out. I would love to hear stories from you. Lastly, if you enjoy my video, please subscribe to my channel or click like or share it to your friends. Thank you for your support and see you in the next video ค่ะขอบคุณค่ะ